Hello students, today we will continue our chapter Globalization and the Indian Economy. Today we will discuss factors that have enabled globalization. We have discussed what is globalization. Now, factors affecting globalization. Number 1, improvement in transportation technology. Railways, waterways, airways, roadways are developed to facilitate faster transport of goods. Containers are the steel chambers that can store products in efficient way to facilitate the transport. Use of containers enable to lower the loading time, reduce the handling cost, and has faster delivery of goods. Improvement in information and communication technology, internet, to send and receive data instantly, efficiently communicate by email, video call services, online payment through e-banking facilities, mobile services to facilitate communication, satellite to link connection from any parts of the world. Liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment policy, removing trade barriers or restrictions set by government is called liberalization. Trade barriers are the restrictions laid by government to regulate the foreign trade. With these barriers, government decides what kind of goods and how much quantity of each good come into the country. Trade barriers are necessary after independence to protect the producers within the country. Why? From foreign competition. At this time, government only allowed import of essential items such as machines, fertilizers, petroleum, etc. Around 1991, government has announced new economic reforms I have discussed. Indian government accepted the liberalization policy, removing barriers on foreign trade and foreign investment and enabling foreign producers to compete with domestic producers. Pressure from World Trade Organization, WTO rules have forced the developing countries to remove trade barriers. Thus, the developing countries had no choice other than accepting liberalization policy. WTO. What is the aim of WTO? To liberalize international trade. This organization says that all countries in the world should liberalize their policies. This organization established the rules regarding international trade and says these rules are obeyed. There are 164 countries are the members of WTO. India has joined WTO on 1st January 1995. The rules are supposed to be obeyed by all countries, but currently developed countries have unfairly retained trade barriers. On the other hand, WTO rules force the developing countries to remove the trade barriers. For an example, US government provide huge amount of money to their farmers for production and export to other countries. US farmers now can sell farm products in other country markets at abnormally low prices, which adversely affecting the farmers in other countries, in developing countries. Thank you.